April 2025 is here, and so are IKEA's latest must-haves. Whether you're upgrading your lighting, adding greenery, or organizing your space, these fresh finds blend style and function effortlessly. Get ready to refresh your home with smart, affordable design. 1. Barometer. Let there be light, and let it shine exactly where you need it. The Barometer ceiling track is a showstopper with its elegant brass finish and 5 adjustable spotlights, making your space feel like a curated gallery. Whether it's brightening up your kitchen or setting the mood in your living room, this fixture does it all with style. 2. Daksjus. Give your leafy friends a well-deserved pedestal. The Daksjus plant stand brings nature to eye level with its sleek bamboo frame, turning any corner into a lush oasis. Lightweight and easy to move, this stand effortlessly fills your home with warmth, greenery, and a touch of tropical charm. 3. Uppfylld, transform your meals with a sprinkle of magic. The Uppfylld Rotary grater makes grating cheese, chocolate, or veggies effortless, whether you're right or left-handed. With 2 different inserts for fine or coarse grating, this little gadget is a kitchen essential that keeps messes to a minimum. 4. Uppfylld. Give your veggies a spa day. The Uppfylld vegetable brush scrubs away dirt with ease, making sure your carrots, potatoes, and beets are spotless before they hit the pan. With 2 sides for different levels of scrubbing power, this vibrant yellow brush is as practical as it is cheerful. 5. Daksjus. Sometimes even the smallest plants deserve their moment in the spotlight. The Daksjus bamboo stand is compact, yet full of personality, elevating your greenery while adding a touch of Scandinavian charm. Flip it over to adjust the height, and let your plants breathe a little easier in style. 6. Skaftet. The ultimate lighting hack. Skaftet is here to bring effortless elegance to your space. Whether you prefer minimalist exposed bulbs or want to pair it with a stylish lampshade, this brass pendant set lets you create the perfect ambiance over your dining table or kitchen island. 7. Knapper. Say hello to Knapper. Not only does it reflect your best angles, but it also hides a rail and hooks for your clothes behind it. Perfect for those who like to plan their outfits in advance or just want to keep things neat. 8. Asparen. Turn your gardening dreams into reality. The Asparen greenhouse provides a cozy and stylish home for your plants, shielding them from harsh weather while letting sunlight work its magic. With built-in ventilation and handy pockets for extra stability, this greenhouse is as practical as it is charming. 9. Dvärgsyren. The Dvärgsyren mirror doesn't just reflect your beauty, it also offers a sleek built-in shelf for your essentials. Whether it's your morning coffee, phone, or makeup, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Ten. Nämmarö. Transform your outdoor space into a private retreat with the Nämmarö screen. Whether you're shielding yourself from nosy neighbors or giving your climbing plants a stylish frame, this acacia wood beauty blends effortlessly with any decor while standing strong against the elements. Eleven. Alpvide. Turn any forgotten corner into a lush green sanctuary. The Alpvide plant stand is the perfect stage for your favorite plants, with multiple levels to create a dynamic and eye-catching display. Twelve. Omar storage has never been this versatile. The Omar shelving unit doubles as a clothes rail, giving you space to hang, fold, and store with ease. Perfect for small apartments, laundry rooms, or even bathrooms, this galvanized steel wonder is as durable as it is stylish. Thirteen. Jutholmen Cozy. Stylish and built to last. The Jutholmen outdoor seat is the perfect addition to your balcony or patio. With its modular design and easy care plastic rattan, this seat lets you create your ideal outdoor oasis without worrying about maintenance. 14. Rågkorn. Elevate your plant game with the Rågkorn pot. The built-in handles make moving it around a breeze, while the waterproof inner pot keeps your surfaces dry. Whether inside or outside, this pot is proof that practical can also be beautiful. Fifteen. Fålskär, a coffee table with a hidden surprise. The Fålskär table isn't just a stylish centerpiece. It also has built-in storage under its lid, perfect for keeping cushions, books, or other essentials out of sight, while maintaining a sleek, modern look. 16. Klotthuja wall-mounted plant magic. The Klotthuja holder is a sleek and minimal way to showcase your greenery, whether inside or outdoors. A smart, space-saving solution that proves plants belong everywhere, even on your walls. From clever storage to chic decor and outdoor essentials, April's IKEA picks bring style and practicality to every space. Whether indoors or out, these finds make home life easier and more inviting. Happy decorating!